Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a very long time. I know. But thank you so much for tuning back in today. Today, I am going to be going over all of the specs of this lovely hair from AliExpress, and I chose the vendor Ali Pearl. So today, I'm going to be going over how I dyed this hair. I bleached and dyed it, how I colored it, how I made it into a wig, because yes, honey, this little baby here is a wig, okay, period. So I'm going to be going over all of that today. I'm going to also give a review on this hair, on whether I like the hair, how it's holding up. It's been a little minute now since I've made this wig and installed it on my head. So I'm going to go over all of that today. If you want to, rock with me while I go through all of that, stay tuned. Before you do anything, baby, make sure you like and subscribe to my channel. Jumping right into the video. So this hair is from Ali Pearl. It's a vendor on AliExpress. I chose the lengths, I want to say 20, 22, and 24. I'm about 5'4". I'm gonna show y'all how long this hair is on me. In the front, it goes like down to my waist. So it's like that long. Like I said, I'm like 5'4". And then the back, it touches like my top of my butt. So yes, this hair is pretty long to me to be 24 inches, which I love. I like the fact that it's long. And then let's see, the closure I believe is a 16. Now I got a 16-inch closure because I like, let me see, I got this hair kind of tucked, but I like for it to be shorter, if you see what I'm saying, like in the front. So that's the reason why I got a 16-inch closure in the front. I don't really like the front of my hair to be just as long as the rest of the hair. Now, when I got the hair, first of all, it ships very fast. I would say it took no more than 7 days from the time I ordered it from when I received the hair. So that is, to me, like awesome. I love when I get stuff prompted on time. I don't have to worry about when my hair come in, where it's at, none of that. So that's awesome. And I know like AliExpress doesn't get the best reviews for timeliness. I know a lot of people have complained and said they have not even gotten their packages, which is absurd because run me my money, period. With that being said, my hair came in 7 days. I will say when I got the hair, I was in love instantly. It barely had a smell to it, and AliExpress hair sometimes can have smells. It barely had a smell to it. It felt perfect, like great bounce to it. I got body wave hair, so that's why got the little wave to it. And I know that's a very popular brand for Ali Pearl. So yes, I got a 22, 24, a 20, and a 16-inch closure. And from jump, I could already tell that the closure was gonna be bomb. Like, I personally loved the closure. This is my first time ever even having a closure, and it kind of, to me, looks perfect, like from what I see in videos, off rip, like when I first got it. So I just thought that was amazing. I absolutely loved it, and I couldn't wait to get started with the rest of the process. In the beginning, there was no shedding whatsoever before I bleached the hair, and I will be honest about that. There was no shedding at all. Music to my ears, because I don't really like shedding, but I know all hair sheds, so I can't really be mad about that. But so moving forward, I got the hair and I bleached it. So I bleached it with Clairol bleach, I believe that's how you pronounce that, or whatever. Clairol bleach, and then I used 30 volume developer, and I mixed it together. And basically I just went to work. It took me forever. It took me like 3 hours to like completely dye. Probably more than 3 hours. Like, I'm a beginner, so it took me a very long time to bleach and color this hair, and I did it all in one night. So that I will never ever do again, probably, unless I have a better space, because honey, when I did all of that, it was just way too much. So I got to bleaching it, and it was turning really fast. This hair lifted so fast, I couldn't even believe it. Like, I didn't even have to leave the bleach on for 30 minutes for it to almost be a honey blonde color, which I liked that a lot, but it just means you have to work really fast. So to color this hair, this gorgeous, like, look at this, y'all. Like, I absolutely am in love with this color. I mean, yeah, I love it. I don't know if I can really see the color that it is. Like, it's like a cinnamony red color. To achieve this color, I used 3 bottles of Adore semi-permanent dye, and the colors that I used were paprika, cinnamon, and intense red. So I did not know what color this was gonna turn out to be, but I knew that I wanted like a brownish red color, so I just went for it. Honestly, there is no rhyme or reason to how I colored the bundles. You will see they look a lot brighter on, like, they look a lot more intense, I feel like, in the videos, but in person, I'm gonna insert like pictures too of like me in this hair. There's times like I went out and stuff and how they look like on Snapchat and on camera and stuff. It doesn't really look that bright as I thought it did. It took color pretty well. I didn't have to go back and like re-dye the hair or recolor the hair at all. It took the hair like pretty much immediately. So creating this wig, first of all, y'all, praise God to every stylist that can create a bomb ass wig. I am telling y'all, this was the most humbling experience of my life. From pricking myself with the needle to having to rewatch YouTube videos that I have already seen so I can learn how to like stitch and lock the tracks, to trying to do the fold over method with this, to trying to create the perfect pattern for this wig. It was a mess. I'm telling y'all, it took me 4 days at minimum to sew this entire wig, and it is still not perfect, y'all. It be having pieces coming off left and right, popping out, but you know what, on the outside it look good. Okay, now the foundation is not that good, but the rest of it, I think on the outside, I think it looked pretty good. I mean, like, I didn't even really pluck. Well, I have a wig cap on this sliding back, but that ain't none of y'all business. But like, I didn't even pluck like this closure for real at all, and it lays flat. I have two braids right here, so y'all might be able to see that a little bit, but other than that, like, it came out really good, and I'm really surprised on like how, to me, it came out good. I'm a beginner, so, but to me, I'm surprised about like how well I think I did for my first wig or whatever. So there's that. I did not record me sewing any of the wig down. It was just too much. I just don't really have a lot of that equipment. I am a new YouTuber, so I don't have all of the equipment to be able to show you guys that kind of stuff, unfortunately. But I mean, look at me, honey. Like, I am the testimony, period. So there's that. Now basically more so into a review about the hair. I will say, Ali Pro, y'all did y'all thing. To be completely honest, like, I can run my hands through this hair. I just flat ironed it before I came on camera, so like, I mean, after a while, I mean, does it tangle up a little bit now? Yes, but I'm going to attribute that to the bleach. From jump, I always felt that the ends, I mean, to y'all, the ends might not look dry, but let me see. I mean, the ends were pretty full when I got them, but I will say the ends do tend to get a lot more dry now that I bleached the hair, and I kind of figured that would be a problem from jump when I first got the bundles, because the ends did feel dry. But because of how long this hair is, honestly, I could pretty much cut this hair down a little bit, and it'll be okay. If y'all hear some noise, my friend Tori is over here with me today. She laying in my bed right now, chilling. So if y'all hear anything, that's probably her just moving around or something. But yeah, so I did pretty much figure that the ends and stuff will be a little dry. But other than that, honey, this hair is like, let me see. This hair is like butter to me. Like, it's amazing. I love it. I'm so happy that I did not get played, because I do know that sometimes people do get bad batches of hair. Thankfully, I did not. I have seen a lot of reviews, and the majority of the people that reviews I watch on Ali Pro Hair, they usually all say that they get a pretty decent quality grade of hair. Now, I have seen horror stories. I know people are gonna be down in my comments like, no, I got this hair and it was not good, Well, honey, I'm letting you know, I ordered this hair with my own hardcore cash, and which I use PayPal. Y'all use PayPal going into the future. please use PayPal. But so I used PayPal to order this hair, and I had no problem. Shipping, like I said, was amazing. The hair quality turned out to be amazing, even after I bleached and colored this hair. So I will give this hair, and by the way, I made this unit about 4 weeks ago now. So this is not new hair. This is not just me opening up the bag and making this wig a week ago and slapping it on, wearing it for a week and giving y'all a review. I have had this hair on my head on and off, because I don't wear this wig all the time. I wear it, like I might wear it for a week. Like I've had this wig on since Sunday. It's Tuesday. So like right now I've worn it for 3 days and it hasn't given me any problems. I stopped wearing it for like a week or two because I got for like a week, not 2 weeks, but for a week, because I got my natural hair done. Like you want to make sure you take care of your natural hair underneath the wig. But other than that, this bad baby is doing me justice. So yeah, that's pretty much it. If y'all have any other questions, make sure to drop them down in my comment section below. I want to know, what vendors would you guys like to see me try out from AliExpress? I don't mind spending my own money because I feel like you get the best reviews when you spend your own money. If y'all want to see me review anything else, just drop it in my comment section. Like I need some inspiration for videos. I have a lot of topics that I want to talk about and stuff. But even until then, if you have some suggestions on stuff you want me to do, just feel free to drop it in my comments. Or you can follow me on social media, because that's what y'all all need to do anyways. Like, why not? My social media is kind of lit, so join the fam. So if y'all want to follow me, I'm definitely gonna have my links and stuff around the video. I'm gonna have it pop up somewhere, I'm absolutely sure. Thank you so much for joining me today. Comment, like this video, give it 2 thumbs up please, and subscribe to my channel. I hope to see y'all again. I hope y'all come see me again.